Fooled you guys. Bet you thought you were clicking on an episode of This Old House. But no, welcome back to Zuki Evolution. This is kind of a video on what's coming up in season 3. And let's get into that a little bit. So you guys probably thought that I'd forgot about my fans and my new subscribers and all that, which I haven't. The thing is I've been busy with a ton of projects and projects that haven't been Suzuki, and new work truck, having to build toolboxes, this canoe project I'm on. So I just want to say season 3 coming up is going to be a bit of a change. It's going to have stuff that I like to do. I get into a lot of different projects like this canoe project, woodworking type stuff, the Suzuki Samurai stuff. I have another project vehicle, an Isuzu Trooper, that I'm going to build into an overland vehicle. So there'll be some episodes on that. And I do some forging of knives, making custom knives and stuff like that too. I used to do that. I'm planning on getting back into. There's going to be some of that. So there's probably going to be a channel change, content change, a name change. If you guys have suggestions for a name change for me, I haven't been able to come up with anything good yet, but I'm hoping this year, this coming season of Zuki Evolution / whatever it's going to be, I'm hoping it's going to be pretty good. I want to get in a bunch of wheeling videos. There's that 4x4 event down in Princeton, BC that I'm going to be going to and videoing, hopefully, if it lands on my days off. And yeah, so just thanks for hanging in there, guys. And there's going to be a change. I hope it's not upsetting to a bunch of you guys. And I think it's going to be good. I think it's going to be really good. So thanks for watching Evolution, guys, and subscribing and sharing these videos and whatnot. It's been great. I'm nearing 3,000 subscribers now, which is pretty cool. Made my first 300 bucks on YouTube. That's also pretty cool, which I bought a kinetic tow rope. And this new apparatus, I bought a gimbal so I can up my game in the videoing. Try and make it better for you guys, more enjoyable. So again, thanks for watching Zuki Evolution and hanging in there, guys. And I look forward to doing a bunch more new great content for you guys in 2020.